Today we will make a simple aeroplane simulated game using Python in Pydroid3. Let's begin with it. Open Pydroid3 and start coding. Import all the modules required for the game to run like. Import Game. Pygame is our game engine here. It handles everything visual and interactive, displaying images, playing sounds, detecting button presses, managing the game window, etc. Think of it as the pilot's console. You can't fly the game without it. Import System. We use system.exit to safely quit the game when the user closes the window. It tells Python, yo, shut everything down properly. It's like hitting the emergency stop if the simulation goes haywire. Import Random. It's used when we want to add randomness, maybe clouds appearing at random heights, birds flying by, or wind changes. Even if we didn't use it yet, it's handy for more realism. Imagine turbulence or weather changes, all driven by random. Pygame.init. This initializes all the Pygame modules you'll need: display, sound, fonts, events, etc. Without this, it's like trying to fly a plane with the engine off. Nothing will work. Width, height equal 800, 1500. These are the dimensions of your game window. 800 pixels wide and 1500 pixels tall. That's a portrait layout, tall like a mobile phone held vertically. You can flip these values to 1500, 800 if you want a landscape layout. Screen equals pygame.display.set_mode with height. This creates a game window with the dimensions we just set. It's like building the runway and cockpit screen where all action will happen. Pygame.display.set_caption aeroplane game simulator. This sets the title of your game window, what shows up in the top bar. Just the label doesn't affect how the game runs, but helps users know what they're playing. Setup. Clock equals pygame.timeClock, controls FPS, frames per second. Load images brings in plane, sky, cloud, and runway graphics. Transform.scale resizes them to fit game. Plane setup. Plane_x where plane appears, left side. Plane_y_ground plane's ground position, touching runway. Angle, altitude, speed, takeoff controls how the plane moves. Scroll settings. For sky and runway to move left, simulating movement. Clouds. Created randomly, float across screen. Buttons. For control buttons, speed, brake, lift, land. Drawn on screen and clickable. Game loop. 60 FPS. Scroll sky and clouds to left equals illusion of plane moving.